Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Liz, and on this channel I do beauty, lifestyle and vlogs videos. So recently I started incorporating some cooking with me videos on my channel, and I absolutely love it, you guys, because you know that I love cooking. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be preparing spinach, you guys. Now there are a lot of different ways to prepare spinach, and this is my ingredients, and I'm just going to show you guys how I prepare my spinach. I've been preparing it like this for many years now, and my family love it, and I also love it as well. So I want to show you guys how I normally prepare it. Okay, if you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you could go down below and click on that subscribe button now, you guys. This is the only way you can support me. Okay, please subscribe, it's free, and don't forget to like this video, like it, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know, do you eat spinach? If you do, what are your ingredients? How do you prepare it? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear it so that maybe I can try your ingredients next time. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let us go to the kitchen and start preparing our delicious dish. So guys, this is how the spinach looks like. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and start washing it, because we all know that there's always sand hiding inside the wrinkles and creases of spinach leaves. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just washing it thoroughly. Always make sure that you wash your spinach carefully and very well. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash it very well before I start cutting it. So to prepare my sauce, I'm gonna be using these vegetables. I'm gonna use onions, red pepper, green pepper, as well as tomato. So right now I'm just slicing everything before I start making my sauce for the spinach. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting hot water in the spinach, guys. At this point, I've already washed my spinach. So I washed it before I cut it, and then I washed it again after cutting it. And now I went ahead and put the hot water in my spinach. I like to throw the first water because I don't know why, but I'm just used to cooking it this way. So I'm gonna leave it in the water for about 1 minute, and then I'll throw that water away before I start cooking it. So right now I'm just adding the normal oil into the pot. I mean, it's up to you. If you want, you can cook it with olive oil, palm oil, or any type of oil. But for my spinach, I usually go for 2 types of oil. I'm going to show you guys the other oil that I'm going to add to the spinach, but for now I'm just putting in the onions, and I want them to be a little bit brownish before I throw in the tomato and the green peppers So I'm gonna cover it for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm adding in the green pepper and red pepper into the pot. So right now I'm just throwing in all the spinach into the pot, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the palm oil. Guys, this is the second oil that I like to use in my spinach, and it works like magic. I absolutely love it. So this is palm oil for those who don't know. Okay, so moving on to spices, I'm going to be adding in the onga spice, and then Vidin spice, and then I'm adding in the cube Maggi, the tomato one and the normal one. Guys, these spices are not sold in Pick n Pay, ShopRite, Woolworth, or any South African shops, unfortunately. If you want these type of spices, you have to check them out at Nigerian shops or Congolese shops. So this is where I normally buy my spices, as well as the palm oil. So yeah, and then I added it some salt. Now I'm just gonna stir it, and then I'm going to add in the peanuts. This is grounded peanuts. Obviously you can also find this in Nigerian shops or Congolese shops. Yeah, so it's just the normal peanut which they've grounded it. Yeah, so this is what I always use for my spinach. And guys, I can smell this dish already. It smells divine. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just stir it for a while, and then I'll cover it for about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back to check how far is my dish, my food. Okay, this is ready now, you guys. It is ready. It looks delicious already before I taste it. So guys, because spinach goes very well with pap and fish, so I decided to go ahead and prepare pap and fish, just so that I can show you guys how it looks like in a plate. And yes, this is how my dish looks like. I absolutely love it. Guys, this food is delicious with a capital D. So this is how the dish looks like, and you know what, let me just go ahead and deep dive into this because I cannot wait anymore. So yeah, this is my dish, my ingredients, and how I prepare my spinach. Very, very nice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Let me know if you want me to cook some more dishes for you guys, and please do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Like this video and leave me a comment down below. And yeah, so love you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.